Welcome to Kitchen Discovery. Today we are making okra soup. By getting my meat to a boil. While that is boiling, I wash my okra and cut. In this soup, I actually divided my okra into two parts. After steaming the meat, I have to open and add a stockfish. Add enough water to cook the soup and cover. To avoid our fish being scattered inside the soup, I have to remove it before adding other ingredients. This is our grounded pepper followed by red oil. I really like adding a root to my okra. You can do away with it if you don't like it. And cover to boil. Going in is the grounded okra. At this point, I'm adding back the fish. Cover it and allow to boil. The second set of our okra will go in now, followed by crayfish and seasoning cube. Please do me well by liking and sharing my post. Let me know how you feel about this soup in the comment section. Will you be trying it or not? Please let me know. We really appreciate that. You can also comment the soup you want me to be cooking next, or any other type of food you want me to be cooking next. You can add any vegetable of your choice, but in this soup I used ugu leaf and otase leaf mixed together. You need to try. Stir and cover to steam for a few minutes. Yeah, so our okra soup is ready. You can serve with any swallow of your choice, but for me, I'm serving my own with carrot swallow. If you don't know how to make it, put it down in the comment section. Don't forget to follow us to be able to see our next video. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.